Hello everyone and welcome back again to another fresh video of Archie Talks. I hope you are doing absolutely fine. So guys, many of the candidates are facing many problems. So I will clear all your doubts regarding Infosys offer letter in this video. Okay. So many problems, I will clear all your doubts. Okay. I have read all the comments and all your messages, and I will, on the basis of that, I will reply to your questions. Okay. Before starting the video, here you can see on the screen, I have made two videos regarding Infosys system engineer salary. I have talked about in-hand salary that will provided to you by Infosys during training and after training. Everything I have discussed about this in this particular video, so please give it a watch. Okay, it will be so much helpful for you. And the next video is which laptop is provided by Infosys. Okay, what is the price of the laptop? The laptop is provided during training or after training. I have explained everything, so please watch both of this video. I will be linking this video in description below and also in the I button. Okay, so let's get to our topic. We will discuss about the doubt is completed interview but not received offer letter. So many of the candidates have completed the interview but they have not received offer letter. Okay, so we will talk about this. And the second is selected no in do you have a laptop, any problem. Okay, so as you all know, you have got the survey mail after the successfully completion of after successfully clearing interview round, you got survey mail. Okay, so there you got options like do you have a laptop with 8 GB RAM or not. Okay, so we will talk about that problem also. Okay, and the next point is I don't have a passport, what to do. So as you all know, people who are already selected for offer letter, who got offer letter, they have this option like do you have a passport. Okay, so I will clear your problem regarding passport also. And the next point is submitted survey mail 2-3 times. This will create any problem or not. So many candidates have submitted survey mail 2 to 3 times due to many reasons. Okay, so we will talk about that also. And the last point is training will be online or offline. Okay, so all these points will be cleared in this video. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share with your friends who are going for Infosys. Okay. Okay, so let's get started to our topic. The first point is completed interview but not received offer letter. Okay, so look, this will be based on if you completed your interview successfully, and if you have given right answer, you will definitely get offer letter. Okay, if all the things are right, look, as interviewer told you that HR will get back to you. Okay, so after completing interview, you get to see a survey mail. Okay, if you fill the survey mail required information, then HR will go through your all the details that you have provided, like your percentage, you fit in the eligibility criteria or not, and many other details like your pass out batch, your field batch, everything. He will check all your background. Okay, so after checking all your background, if you fill into the eligibility criteria, you will get offer letter. Okay, so that is the meaning of HR will get back to you. Okay, so this is the thing you should know. Like if you check, if the interviewer checked all your details, then you fit in the eligibility criteria, then only you will get offer letter. Okay, before checking all the details, you won't get offer letter. Okay, so please have patience. HR is checking your details, so you will get to know you are selected or not. Okay, so no need to worry about everything. Okay, if you completed interview, take rest. You will definitely get to know if you will get offer letter or not. Simply you have to take some patience. Okay, now the second question is selected no in do you have a laptop. This will create any problem or not. As you can see on the screen, here is the survey mail provided after you completed the interview. So you have to fill basic details here. Okay, so one question is asked, do you have a laptop desktop with 8 GB RAM. Okay, so like many of the candidates face this problem that they don't have a laptop, or even they if they have a laptop, they don't have a 8 GB RAM laptop. Okay, so I suggested you to click on yes option that you have a laptop. Okay, so I told you that if you don't have a laptop, please arrange it for somewhere, and if you have a laptop, then select yes, because you can extend RAM anytime. If you have a RAM less than 8 GB, it will be so much helpful for you. But many of the candidates haven't watched my video and they selected no. Look, I hope so it won't create any problem for you. Okay, but look, if you don't have a laptop, how will you complete your training? Without laptop, you can't complete your training. Okay, so you must have laptop to complete your training. That's why it can create problem. Okay, this is totally my opinion that if you don't have a laptop, you can't complete your training. like they won't select you. Okay, so this can create a problem. Okay, so I hope this won't create a problem for you. If you have selected no, okay, I have already told you to select yes. Okay, so this is the issue. I hope it won't create problem for you. Okay, but this can create problem, I can simply say. Okay, now the next topic is I don't have a passport. What to do? Okay, so after filling the details, they ask for passport also in application. Okay, so many of the candidates don't have passport. Like who create passport? Okay, they don't have a passport. Okay, so what to do? Okay, so if you don't have a passport, simply create a passport. Okay, create a passport before training or before joining, sorry, before joining. Create passport, it will help you so much. Okay, you have to submit passport. Okay, passport is necessary before joining. Okay, so if you create passport before joining, that will be so much helpful for you. So that's it. If you don't have a passport, create one, it will be so much helpful for you. Okay, now the next is submitted survey mail 2-3 times. Any problem? Okay, so many of the candidate submitted 2-3 times due to certain problems. Many of the candidate does not appear option this address for communication. Many selected no. After watching my video, they selected yes, so they submitted one more time. Okay, so these are the problem candidate face. So they submitted survey mail. So this will create any problem in getting offer letter? No, it will not create any problem in getting offer letter. So you don't have to worry anything about it. You have filled the survey mail. If your details are right, you will not face any problem. Okay, so don't worry about it. Okay, now the next point is training will be online or offline. Okay, so I have told in previous video that training will be totally online. As you all know, due to COVID, training will be offline. Here you can see on the screen, it is an offer letter. Congratulations, we are delighted to make you an offer as system engineer training. So this is the offer letter for system engineer training, and this is the offer letter for operation executive training. So both the role got offer letter, so you don't need to worry about anything. If everything is right, your documents are right, you have performed well, you will definitely get to see offer letter. Okay, so here you can see the date. Okay, joining date 17 June, and here you can see joining date 14 June. Okay, so that's it. And the location of training is Mysore. But you can see here, the training program will consist of virtual training and on the job training. Okay, so here you can see you will get virtual training. The duration of classroom training will be based on business requirement. As I have told earlier, that it will range from 4 to 5 months. Training normally ranges from 4 to 5 months. Okay, and it will be totally virtual training due to COVID situation. As you all know, if the COVID situation will get clear, you will get like on field job. Okay, okay, so that's it. I hope you understand and you have cleared all your doubts. If you have any other doubts, please pin in the comment section. I will reply to you definitely, or I will made one more video to clear all your doubts. Okay, thanks for watching.